Okay, Murali Ramaswamy is my name, and the lift got installed in my mother's name, Meenakshi Ramaswamy. She is the one who needed this lift. She's 82 years old, and she stays in the ground floor. Fortunately for us, we own the 2 floors above ground floor, which we recently acquired. And we were looking for a lift so that during the time of winter and all, if she wants sunlight, how will she come up? It's very hard for her at 82 to climb the lift. So we wanted to go in for conventional lift, but conventional lift had a lot of statutory requirements, electricity, the 3-phase electricity, and there were so many other requirements which was very hard for me to fulfill. Civil construction work for counterweights and everything. And finally I came to know about Nibav from YouTube. So then I went for Nibav and had initial discussion with your sales team. Then I literally did not, I just saw some videos on YouTube, but I have not cited. I never went to even your Kirtinagar, I never went anywhere. I just went for a blinder and we started, and the installation got done in time, and we are using it, and now you can see my mother sitting with me in the second floor, and it has made my life easy. It was really unique, and I've even expressed it in my email with your MD copied on the mail. I sent that email that it's unique, and all I expect from Nibav is after sales has to be dot on, and that's it.
आने के बाद तो मुझे ऊपर आ सकता है, बहुत कंफर्टेबल है। ऊपर आ सकता है, धूप में बैठ सकते हैं, अंदर के हरकत पे सोई मार के मैं देखिए सोई मार